Within a closed, darkened room, you see a powerful machine, a table, a laboratory. It is not a mock-up, everything is real and true. There is a heart in the middle of this enormous installation, a small fridge and its exact content, dormantarchia, bacteria and fungi. 11 viable microorganisms starring in the project were chosen in scientific research, focused on the idea of the work as pre-bacteria capable of starting a new evolution. Aerobes and anaerobes, organisms that extend recognized limits of tolerance to extreme environmental conditions. Their unique features link them to the organisms that started the current evolution 3 billion years ago. And thus, they have potentially more to tell than we humans. All of them are unique, extremely resistant. While the lethal dose of radiation for humans is 10 grays, the bacteria Deinococcus radiodurans can survive a dose of 5,000 grays. The Deinococcus have a unique ability to repair radiation-damaged DNA rapidly. I claim the sound characteristics of the Homo sapiens are gone, and a new perception of the ego of our species is in order. I develop the fears here and seek solutions. I introduce a new meaning of the term performatics, non-functional performatics. The performatics has not, is not, and will never launch the engine of this machine. My work is not a vision of the future and a catastrophe on planet Earth, nor is it a vision of the decapitation of evolution and new evolution. It is a performative non-functional